so many businesses wasting money by not managing and optimizing and marketing their website. They often don't do anything. There are two things that matter. Number one, traffic. You have got to get people to travel to your website. Where are you going to get them from? You get them from advertising, you get them from Google, from search engine optimization, you get them from all the different social medias. Number two is conversion. When people come there, we've got to give them a call to action. We want them to stay on the site. So, you can use Google Analytics to see how many people are coming and where are they coming from and how long they're staying and so on and so forth. That'll give you the information that you need to make intelligent decisions about your website. I hope you enjoyed and benefited from watching this video. The next step on your journey is for us to meet up. Go to www.resultsmastery to book a meeting now.